Welcome to our channel. Today we delve into a fascinating topics on yoga, religion, science and spiritual science. According to a yogi, yoga is all about union. It's like the plus sign that brings things together. Whether you're a religious, scientific or spiritual person, you practice yoga consciously or unconsciously. Yoga is not just about sitting with your eyes closed. It's about connecting with nature, objects, or the soul. Let's explore this deeper. Let's look at the 4 types of yoga. Bhakti yoga, the practice of merging with God through love and devotion. Jnana yoga, the practice of self-realization through knowledge and wisdom. Karma yoga, the practice of selfless action and service through yoga. Raja yoga, the practice of self-realization through mental discipline and meditation. Yoga consists of 4 parts: tapas, japa, dhyana and samadhi. Tapas, the practice of keeping the body stable. Japa, the practice of keeping the mind stable. Dhyana, the practice of keeping the intellect stable. Samadhi, the ultimate state where consciousness becomes stable and the soul merges with Brahman, the ultimate reality. Extraordinary talent and yoga. The yogi says that all scientists, artists, and writers with extraordinary talent are yogis. They are deeply connected to their respective fields through jnana yoga, knowledge, and wisdom. Their focus and dedication make them experts, and their deep concentration refines their talents. Yoga and religion. According to yogis, religion is an imperfect child of yoga. When a person is in the early stages of yoga practice, they may connect to higher dimensional energies even if they do not fully understand them. This increased focus also enhances their ability to visualize, allowing them to create images or symbols in their mind that represent higher dimensional spiritual powers that lack physical form. They are unable to see or understand anything clearly. They gain the power of visualization, which can confuse them, leading to various religious ideologies due to partial knowledge. This is why there are so many different schools of thought in religion, often with much confusion about the nature of reality. Yoga and science. A yogi says that science is the second child of yoga. When a person reaches the stage of meditation, their doubts end and they can view everything with clarity. At this stage, a person may become a scientist, artist, or renowned writer. All their intellect becomes focused on one subject without any doubt. However, because scientists do not practice the other aspects of yoga, they are unable to transcend materiality. Yoga and spirituality. When a person transcends both religion and science, they become a spiritual person seeking to transcend materialism. This is the highest goal of yoga. Thus, spirituality is also a child of yoga. This state seeks to understand the true nature of the soul and unite with higher consciousness. In conclusion, according to the yogi, yoga is about integration. Religion, science, and spiritual science are all different levels of yoga. They are all children of yoga and are deeply interconnected. Religion is the imperfect child, born from partial knowledge, while science and spirituality are the mature children of yoga, encompassing both physicality and spirituality. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of yoga, religion, science, and spiritual science. If you found this video insightful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content. Thank you.